This module will be going over an overview of online retail. Now, what is online retail? Now, online retail is simply just a process of selling products on Amazon or anywhere online. It's where you are retailing products. Now, you might not be sure what retailing means, but it just means that you are the first retailer to sell those products to the end consumer. Say, for example, you have a Nintendo console. Now, that Nintendo console had to be manufactured, and that manufacturer sold to wholesalers or distributors or suppliers, and those wholesalers, distributors, or suppliers then sold to retailers. So it's still not in the hands of the consumer until the retailer sells to the end consumer. Okay, so it's the same exact process how you would go into a Walmart or a Target or a Best Buy and buy some products, because Target, Walmart, and Best Buy are retailers, but now your retail store is simply just online on Amazon.com, okay? Or on any other online platform, because there's other online platforms you can sell on, such as eBay, such as Walmart, such as Jet.com, and also the biggest one is Amazon. Now, the process of online retail is where you're selling products that are in demand, okay? So you're selling products that people are already going to buy and selling products that people already want to go pay for it, okay? Now, the also thing that you're doing is you're selling products that already exist. You're not creating something new into the marketplace. So you're selling products that are not new, that already are created in the marketplace and have a demand. And also, this is the oldest method of wealth to mankind. Okay, when people were trading spices in the very early days, or when shopping malls were first created, this is simply all you're doing is trading stuff. You're literally trading goods that people want for a higher price. Okay, now the goal of online retail is to simply buy products at the lowest cost. Okay, doesn't matter what kind of retailer you are, your goal is to simply buy at the lowest price possible and sell higher. Okay, so whatever price you bought it at, your goal is to simply sell higher. Now, this may seem very, very simple, but many people don't really understand what online retail is. Now, you also want to be having a goal of you to buy a certain amount of supply that's going to be equal to the demand. You don't want to buy not enough or too much. That's where problems run into. That's in where your business is not going to scale enough, or your business is having too much inventory. Okay, so you want to be meeting the equal amount of supply versus the demand. And also, the end goal of online retail is to have a consistent source of suppliers or other sources for the products where you can buy at a lower cost, sell at a higher cost, and be able to have the equal supply and demand. Okay? So to recap what you learned what online retail is and the goal for online retail. All online retail is simply you are the first person to sell those products to the end consumer. You're not wholesaling products out. You're not manufacturing goods. You're simply selling to the end consumer, and you're the first person to do so. Okay? Now, your goal for online retail is simply to buy at a low cost, actually buy at the lowest cost that you can get, sell at a higher cost than when you bought it for, and sell stuff that's already in demand.